Hi guys, I just want to explain you a quick setup on AUD USD, and here we can see that the prices started breaking its own lows right here, pulled back a corrective move, and then gave a move again towards the downside, taking out this liquidity. Again went up and a corrective move, and then a big impulsive move out there. After that, we started getting this channel range around about here, and then the price went up and again broke the structure around this point. After that, you can see up here that price again pushed on the upper side and another corrective move, and then breaking this zone here. And here we can see that price pushed up, came back down, pushed back up again, but we can see a rejection around this order block right here, and it was the first reaction. And then I believe that prices can continue further towards the downside like that, taking the liquidity around this zone. So this is the trade plan right now. So let's see how it actually executes and how it runs.